All right, guys, I put a lot of money in these trees up here. It's time to get them watered. A couple of days earlier, I ran drip line to all of the trees. I'm using a 2-gallon red nozzle to get these trees good and watered in, because I'm tired of dragging that hose up the hill. So what we're going to do now is find that water line, because we're going to put an irrigation box right here. All right, well, we found the water line. Actually, not as deep as I thought it would be. Probably need to bring the soil up so it doesn't freeze. And then we're going to trench a little ditch, put our water box there. All right, guys, this is the irrigation control box. My good buddy David Woods had a couple of these left over. He gave them to me free of charge. I love you, David. Thank you, buddy. These things are not cheap. So we're going to set them in place. Kind of take the shovel and score a little mark around it, and that way we know how much to dig out. Okay, I've got that positioned where I want it. Now it's time to call in the plumbers, get them to splice in that line. Then we'll be able to put the valve in and connect this drip irrigation. As you can see, there's a conduit that runs underneath the driveway, but it runs a little bit too far, so I'm gonna have to cut that end off. That should do it. All right, let's fish it through. All right, now we're gonna cut it in. We're gonna put a T in like this, because we have to run on the other side of the driveway. All right, now we splice that T in. We're gonna staple on the sides of the T and on the trunk of the T. That way it doesn't shift. All right, well, it's 98 degrees outside, and I am gonna snake another drip line. I've decided to extend it a little bit. So let's do that now. Okay, now we gotta join these 3 pipes together in a junction. That'll complete the zone that I'm putting in. Then we'll stake it all in place. All right, now that we put all the emitters on the line, let's test it. make sure it works. Alright, I think we have a first emitter right in here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Well, it looks like the irrigation is working, and it was a success. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you soon.